Welcome to Lily Simple English. We will learn English together through easy stories, slow speaking, and fun family adventures.
Emma walked through school carrying her old backpack.
Then something unexpected happened. Emma dropped her notebook.
Students watched. Nobody moved. Nobody helped.
Then one girl stood up, and that moment changed Emma's life forever.
Maybe today, someone will sit with me.
Come sit with us!
Okay? No one sits here. That is okay.
All right, class, let's begin our lesson. Why do you hide that bag? It is old. Emma, it's okay.
Good morning, class.
Good morning. Good morning.
Let's begin our lesson on families.
Maybe tomorrow, someone will sit here.
She is always alone.
Yeah.
Who knows the answer? Me! I know. Yes, Emma?
The answer is 3.
Very good, Emma.
Come! Lunchtime!
Let us go! Lunch again. Emma, are you okay?
Maybe today is different. Maybe.
Emma, over here!
Just me again. That is okay.
This lunch is good. Yeah. I wish I had a friend.
She looks sad.
Very sad.
Is Lily inside? She is nice.
Yes, she is. That sweater is very old. I would not wear that. It is all I have.
Really? That is sad.
I should go.
Excuse me.
Oh no! My notebook.
I am sorry. Wait. I will help you. Of course. You are helping me? We can do it together. Thank you. Nobody helps me.
I do.
Why are you helping her? Because she needed help.
Can I sit here?
Yes. Thank you.
Are you okay?
I think so. I'm always here for you. Nobody sits with me. That is not nice. My family is poor. My mom works very hard. You are very brave. Thank you for telling me.
So that is why you cannot buy nice things.
That is not kind.
Why do you care?
Because everyone deserves kindness. No one ever said that before. Emma is my friend.
Maybe things can change.
She seems nice. Can I sit with you? Really?
Of course.
I am happy. This is nice. Let us go.
I like seeing this. Maybe I was wrong.
This is fun. I am proud of all of you.
Thank you for today. Emma had a hard day.
You showed great kindness.
I am not alone anymore.
Thank you for learning with us today. Did you enjoy the story?
Tell us your favorite part in the comments. And do not forget to like and subscribe.
See you next time.